Labcorp is a global leader of innovative and comprehensive laboratory services. We serve clients in approximately 100 countries, provided support for 84% of new drugs and therapeutic products approved by the FDA in 2023, and perform more than 600 million tests for patients around the world. In 1998, we opened our first office in Beijing, China. Since then, we have built and expanded our central laboratory services, bioanalytical services, nonclinical services, R&D center, immunology and immunotoxicology services, and kit fulfillment facility in China. With globally aligned SOPs, technical platforms, and scientific expertise, our facilities in China have achieved a consistent record of regulatory compliance. Ensuring global data combinability, we provide industry-leading laboratory services for global and local clients. Labcorp operates 20 non-clinical facilities across 7 countries. In 2010, we started non-clinical services in China. This over 8,300 square meter facility maintains a strong track record of regulatory compliance to support your global submissions. From discovery, lead optimization, and preclinical development to IND submission, our non-clinical facility provides a full suite of services. Our animal welfare practices ensure global standards of animal health and integrity. We provide a diverse range of animal species to meet your varied toxicology study requirements. With industry-leading expertise and experience, our comprehensive non-clinical solutions are well-positioned to propel your development program forward. Labcorp operates 7 bioanalysis laboratories across 4 countries. Our 6,400 square meter facility in China supports preclinical GLP toxicology studies and clinical bioanalysis. We have consistently passed global regulatory inspections, ensuring excellence in every regard. Our robust LC-MS capabilities enable us to analyze over 180,000 samples annually, achieving a 96% analytical batch success rate. We are experienced with complex methods and have supported numerous NCE development programs and BE studies for FDA ANDA or NMPA. Our immunochemistry services analyze over 250,000 samples per year, covering a broad spectrum of molecules, achieving a 93% analytical batch success rate. We have established around 1,000 immunoassays and supported hundreds of NBE and biosimilar programs. We continually enhance our bioanalytical capabilities to support innovative modalities like cell and gene therapy and biomarkers, ensuring quality service for all your projects. Labcorp operates 6 immunology and immunotoxicology, or I&I laboratories across 4 countries, including China. Operating under the guidance of GLP and GCP, we provide extensive characterization of immune biomarkers across various animal species and humans. Our I&I services support projects from early biomarker discovery and preclinical toxicology to early and late-stage clinical trials, fostering scientific breakthroughs. Labcorp operates 5 central laboratories across 5 countries and over 20 specialty testing facilities across 4 countries. Our central lab facility in China spans 7,100 square meters and offers a comprehensive assay menu across 8 departments. It is co-located in the same building as our bioanalysis lab, providing higher efficiency to expedite your projects. With strong scientific expertise, we excel in various therapeutic areas. We adhere to stringent processes and provide 360-degree care for your specimens from hundreds of investigator sites, assuring timely delivery to the labs for testing. With seamless anatomic pathology and histology, or APH capabilities in strategic locations including China, we can guide therapy selection, disease monitoring, and prognosis. We have introduced multiplex immunohistochemistry in order to study multiple biomarkers on a single slide, revolutionizing cancer therapies and diagnostics, alongside our next-generation sequencing solutions, such as PGDx Elio Tissue Complete, PGDx Elio Plasma Focus, and more. We also develop companion diagnostic assays involving APH, genomics, safety testing, and immunology services to address unmet medical needs more effectively. In China, we support over 1,000 active studies, including over 100 CDX studies. We also complete validation of over 100 biomarker tests per year, harnessing critical answers for your clinical trial testing. Labcorp operates 4 kit fulfillment facilities across 4 countries. In 2023, we established our kit fulfillment facility in Suzhou. With high-quality materials and components, as well as trained professionals and close monitoring of every stage of the process, our kits meet the precision and quality requirements for clinical trials. This facility helps reduce transportation costs and shortens in-country lead time by 5 to 10 days, providing faster response times to study and visit changes. The Labcorp Biomarker Solution Center is a complementary consulting service that covers assay development, specialty biomarkers, and companion diagnostics. Our exploratory biomarker solutions in China leverage multidisciplinary expertise to assist clients with biomarker strategy design and implementation in early-phase clinical trials. We offer cost-effective biomarker testing, optimal selection, method validation, custom assay development, and regulatory guidance, aiming for higher success rates in biomarker-driven trials. In China, Labcorp offers extensive experience, highly qualified staff, and exceptional performance to provide human genetic resources, or HGR, regulatory support services. With a wealth of regulatory expertise, we can support HGR submission, HGR consultation, and non-HGR sample export permits. We are committed to help ensure compliance, quality, and timely delivery for your clinical trials. Labcorp can navigate clinical trial complexities with a global project management team that focuses on you. Powered by Global Trial Connect, a suite of digital and data solutions, Labcorp can help clients initiate studies faster, maintain study momentum, and increase study throughput. Combining global scale and focused expertise, we offer operational and scientific consultation, executive oversight, and custom solutions to save time, costs, and efforts for your studies. We are on a mission. Yours. Whether you are a nimble biotech or a large organization, Labcorp knows how to support your mission and bring your new therapies to the right patients faster. There's a reason that over 2,000 biopharmaceutical companies choose to develop their novel drug with us every year. Together, let's break through.